Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to work on comparing height. So, height is how tall or how short something is. So, we're going to be measuring from the bottom up to see the different heights. So, I have some towers here built with cubes. I have red and blue cubes. And we are going to decide which tower is taller and which tower is shorter than the other. So, over here I have the sentence: the blank tower is longer or taller than the blank tower. So let's look at these two towers I have on my screen here. I have a red tower and I have a blue tower. I'm going to line these up, so that we can measure them. So every time you are measuring something, you want to line it up from the bottom up to measure. So there are my two towers lined up, my red tower and my blue tower. I can tell that my blue tower is taller than my red tower. So I'm going to move my word blue here. The blue tower is longer or taller than the red tower. There we go. All right. So the blue tower is taller than the red tower. Let's look at the next one. All right. So again, I'm going to line up my two towers so I can measure from the bottom to the top. All right, so I've lined them up. So when I look at these towers, I can see just barely the red tower is taller than my blue tower. So this time it says the blank tower is shorter than the blank tower. So my blue tower is shorter than my red tower. So I'm going to move my word blue is shorter than my red. So the blue tower is shorter than the red tower. Okay, now we're going to try some more. So this one, we have to create it. So this one, it gives us the sentence and it says, make it true. The red tower is shorter than the blue tower. So I'm going to use my blocks over here to make that sentence true. So I'm going to stack up some of my cubes here. All right, so there's my blue tower. And now let me make my red tower. So remember, my sentence says my red tower is shorter than my blue tower. So there's my towers. Is my red tower shorter than my blue tower? Yes, it is. Let's try another one. This one says the red tower is longer or taller than the blue tower. So let me make my towers again. Here's my blue tower. Okay, and now let me make my red tower. And I'm going to put it right beside my blue tower. That way I can make sure when I measure, I get the right measurement. If I don't start bottom, bottom, top, top, then it makes it a little bit harder to tell which one is taller or shorter. All right, so my red tower is longer or taller than my blue tower. Does my picture tell us that? Yes, it does. All right, so you are going to be comparing height, how tall or short something is today.